What a day at Spotify Camp Nou. The day after the championship celebrations, and the stadium did not slow down for a single second. Radial beam 12 went up, box 26 was prepared for its lift, ceramic slat installation began in a brand new section, and the lateral diamond started rising from the ground. Everything happening on the same afternoon. Here is the full breakdown, starting with the compression ring where the day delivered everything. Radial beam number 12 was lifted and placed at the south goal lateral corner. This is the point where the beam direction changes and starts pointing toward the interior of the field instead of the exterior. A clear structural milestone that confirms the ring is turning the corner and heading into the south goal zone. The beam was washed down thoroughly before lifting as standard procedure to remove dust and debris that would be difficult to clean once positioned at height. Pillar 11 and 12 are also confirmed, placed with the 11th going up yesterday alongside the same radial beam. The sequence is running exactly as it should, with pillar first, then radial beam, then box following in order. The rhythm has been exceptional during this international break period, with crews able to work without match day interruptions, allowing sustained momentum across all compression ring operations. Box 26 was prepared and lifted this afternoon, cleaned and washed down before going up as always. The box reached height and the rotation began, but the encaje proved difficult. The box needed to fit between an existing radial beam and the adjacent box, leaving very little space for the maneuver. After extended effort from the guide rope team, the crane cable length ran out of reach before the final alignment could be completed. The TC3 crane had extended to maximum height, with no additional cable remaining for further elevation adjustments. The specialists attempted multiple rotation angles using guide ropes from below, but the clearances proved too tight for safe completion without risk of contact damage. The lift was called off for the day, with shorter slingas to be fitted before the next attempt. 25 boxes now confirmed placed in total out of the eventual 124 sections that will comprise the complete compression ring. The Ulma Simbra teams were active at pace today, assembling new platforms and structures across the lateral. Some of the intermediate Simbras between box joints are now being progressively removed and redeployed further along the ring as the completed sections become self-supporting. The biggest surprise of the afternoon was ceramic slat installation confirmed started in a brand new lateral section. At least 14 slats placed in the false ceiling zone today, with crews working at full speed once operations commenced. The team moved here after finishing the previous sections, and the pace once they get going is remarkable. Platform workers coordinated slat deliveries, while crane operations brought components directly to installation height. The lateral is starting to look like the finished product it is going to become, with the Blaugrana colors now visible across multiple completed sectors. The 3 lateral diamonds are also visibly rising, with sandwich panels already going up on the exterior and interior faces of the first diamond. Reinforcement bar frameworks confirmed in place for all 3 structures, with ferralistas working throughout the afternoon, assembling pillar skeletons and wall frameworks. The speed of the diamond construction today was impressive, with workers moving at full pace across all 3 simultaneously. These diamonds will eventually house restaurant and hospitality facilities, providing views directly onto the surrounding neighborhoods. The third-tier seating sections showed continued finishing work, with joint sealant application visible across multiple zones in the Tribuna area. Workers installed the tubular foam backing material followed by sealant compound, creating weatherproof expansion joints between prefabricated seating sections. Weather conditions turned dramatically late afternoon, with dark clouds arriving and rain beginning just as the box 26 operation encountered difficulties. Light rain quickly intensified, forcing crews to secure equipment and seek shelter. That is everything from today. Radial beam up, box 25 in place, and 26 being prepared. Slat started in a new section. A light rain came in toward the end of the session, but nothing stopped the progress today. Drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe to Megaverse Builds.